Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. Today we're upgrading the rear end of this BMW with some Burger Motorsports Billet Exhaust tips. These not only will look way better than the stock ones, but also they're super easy to install. I'll show you exactly how to remove the old tips, install the new ones, and get them sitting perfectly. Let's get into it. This is a quick and easy install, but here's what you'll need to get the job done. A rubber mallet or a hammer with a block of wood, penetrating lubricant like WD-40 or PB Blaster, a hex key for securing the new tips, and gloves. Optional, but trust me, your hands will thank you. The stock tips are press fit, so they might be a little stubborn to remove, but don't worry, I'll show you an easy way to break them free. Alright, first, let's get these factory tips off. Like I said, they're press fit. They don't have any bolts or clamps holding them down. It's just friction. In theory, you should be able to just twist and pull them off by hand, but generally that's not the case if they've been on for a while. That's where a little WD-40 might come in handy. So I started with a rubber mallet and that didn't work. So I took a hammer with a block of wood and gave it a shot. Place the wood against the back of the tip and firmly tap it to break it loose. And just like that, it's off. Now for the fun part, installing the Burger Motorsports billet tips. These are high quality CNC machined aluminum, and they look way more aggressive than the stock tips. Your stock exhaust has an indexing post on the top. The new exhaust tip will slide right on this post, creating a perfect fit. Once it's in place, grab the hex key and tighten down the set screws evenly. This will lock the tip in place so it won't budge. Make sure both sides are sitting evenly, step back and double check the alignment before calling it done. And that's it, super simple install, but it makes a huge difference in the way the car looks. Let's check out the before and the after. Way more aggressive, and the billet design gives it that premium look this BMW deserves. Alright guys, that's a wrap on this install. If you found this helpful, drop a like, hit the subscribe button for more BMW mods and other DIYs. Let me know in the comments what you think of these tips and any mods you might want to see in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the garage.